You can buy Gmail accounts from various online platforms. These accounts can be used for marketing and communication purposes. Purchasing Gmail accounts can help businesses expand their reach and manage multiple accounts efficiently. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses to succeed. One way to enhance this presence is by utilizing Gmail accounts for marketing, communication, and other business activities. Buy Gmail accounts. With the option to buy Gmail accounts, businesses can easily access multiple accounts to streamline their operations and reach a wider audience. This can be particularly beneficial for businesses looking to establish a strong online presence and effectively manage their email communications. In this blog, we will explore the benefits of buying Gmail accounts and how businesses can leverage them to enhance their digital marketing strategies. Introduction to Gmail for Business. Gmail for Business offers the option to buy Gmail accounts, providing a professional email solution for businesses. With features such as custom email addresses and enhanced security, it's a reliable choice for organizational communication.